Hey everyone. So welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be performing the data analysis and visualization on the OYO hotel dataset using Python. So we have a sample dataset of hotel rooms from the OYO which includes the information such as hotel name and location and a price and discount rating. So let's get we started and let me open Google Chrome. So here is that site kaggle.com dataset. So in that we put out that OYO hotels rooms. So in that you can easy to find out that you can easily to download and so this structures, so you can download the data set and you can do that research whatever you want actually, right? So let's get we started. So I just download that data set and I just put it in my local. So in that so here is the data set. So in that hotel name and location and price and discount and rating, so these are the things are there actually. So in that we have a multiple entries is there, so totally 460 is there. And so let me close it. So in that part I can create a notebook called python 3 ipy kernel. So in that part I just imported the necessary what are the libraries we need. So I can just import that, yeah. So yeah, here we import the necessary libraries matplotlib and cbun and the pandas for data analysis and the visualization, right? So after that shift enter. So after that we need to open the this csv file using pandas, right? So in that I can just, yeah, v.read csv or your hotels.csv. So after that I can type, yeah. So this line drops the hotel name column from the data frame using the df using drop method axis 1, that means the column axis wise, right? So let me enter it and that next part I can type, yeah. So this line clean and pre-process the data actually. So the three lines for cleaning and pre-process the data. So in that part this first line, yeah, the first line converts the price column from a string to a numeric data type using the to numeric method. And the second line replaces the off to the suffix in the discount column with empty string and converts the result string to integer using the as type. It also find if any missing data is there in the discount column, it will be filled with a zero using the fill na. And the third line drops any row that contains missing values in the discount column using the drop in a method, right? So let me run, yeah. So after that I can just made a own describe. So here is the described thing. And after that so the describe line computes that print summary statistics of the numerical columns. Yeah. So the numeric columns obviously price, discount, rating in the data frame df using the describe method. So the next line, yeah. So this line compute the mean price and the rating for the each unique location in the data frame using that group by method and the aggregation method. And store the results near the data frame called location states and the reset index, yeah, and the reset index the resulting that data frame to that integer actually. So let me run. So here it is. So after that we can start the visualization part. And I'll start it. So I can just enter it. And so in that this code block, so plot dot figure size we need to mention. And so in that I'm going to bar plot. So in that rotation 90-degree and title, so I just show that actually. So this code block creates a bar plot using that cbond to visualization that average price for each unique location in the data frame. So location states that figure size parameters used to the set of plot variables and the xtrix. Xtrix method used to rotate the x-axis the tick tables by the 90-degree, right? So the title method is obviously using for that title of the plot, and the show method is for display the plot. Let me run it. And yeah, so you can see that, so I have a large size of data set, so even I just a small size figure size I just put it. So that's why it that letters is not showing clearly. But you can see that that price, top price in that cs, in that hotel price, the peak price it's at 4000 like that per night, actually per day. And that next part I can using the scatter plot. So that scatter plot also the same scenario. So I can just do that figure size and the scatter plot, price and the rating in front of data frame, title, price versus rating. So if I just enter it, so you can see that price and a rating. So based on that price, that rating also will be affect. So you can easily do whatever data you have, so you can do by your own actually. And yeah, so that next part, so now I can do that bar plot and a scatter plot like that, right? So and the final part is historic part, actually historic map. So in that I just use the cbon in that hist plot. So this method and the rest of the things are same. So I just run it. And after that you can see that based on the discount and that count value also increase. That mean if hotel management if put a discount on that hotel price, so based on that customers count also will be get increased. So that's why. And yeah, so here's the thing. So you can also do by your own based on that there is multiple data set in that part actually. So you can download by your whatever data set you need, so you can download it and you can do the research whatever you want actually. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.